In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link Logitech mouse to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Logitech mice model you have, you can easily use them wirelessly on a laptop. You can use them completely wirelessly or through a cable. Of course, if you have a wired version of any Logitech mice, all that you have to do is find a suitable USB port and plug it in. This video is mostly aimed at people who got a wireless mouse from Logitech and they want help setting it up. So, most models from Logitech will include a receiver, and this is going to be by far the best option to connect them wirelessly. If you notice that your Logitech mouse includes one of these receivers, all that you have to do is plug it into any suitable USB port on your laptop or PC. It doesn't matter which one you choose. This receiver will connect to the mouse and it's going to provide the lowest latency possible. This is usually bundled with the gaming mice from Logitech, but some of their office options will include the receiver as well, or you can purchase them separately. As soon as it is plugged in, just power on the mouse. There's going to be a switch, usually at the bottom, and you flip it into the on position. As soon as it is done, the receiver will detect the mouse and it is going to be usable. You don't need to download any piece of software. Alternatively, if you don't have the receiver or if you prefer to use Bluetooth to use them wirelessly, then once again, set them into the on position on the mouse and check for a button. Usually, there's going to be some LEDs right above the button. On this example, this mouse can be connected to 3 devices simultaneously, so this button controls the Bluetooth functionality. You press this button, and once the LEDs are blinking to indicate pairing mode enabled, go into the Bluetooth settings on your PC or laptop, enable Bluetooth, and choose the option to add a device. On the list of nearby devices, as long as you press the button to set it into pairing mode, the Logitech mouse is going to appear. After this, you can optionally download Logitech J Hub or Logi Options Plus. These allow you to control your mouse, change some settings like the DPI, see the battery levels, but it is optional. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.